You too, family. Welcome back. What is going on today with everyone, man? It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all today, man. Hey, we got this special video, man. Hey, your boy got that, well, somewhat of a dub, man. Your boy had to pay resale for it, but it wasn't too bad, man. Big shout out to the bro Jay, man. Same person who looked out and blessed me with these shoes, man. If you know, you know. I appreciate you for looking out for me on these shoes, man. It was a must for me. If y'all follow me on IG, y'all seen I posted pictures of them and said they are a must cop for me. So hey, we got them now. And if you know, you know, man. I'm a person that whenever I buy shoes, such as, you know, off-whites or anything exclusive, man, I kind of want to get the background and know where my shoes came from. So upon doing this deal, I told him, hey, keep it in the Nike box. And I had to be the one that opened it, and he kept his word, man. So he did that for me. So we locked it in, and yes, we got him here today. But before we get into it, man, if this is your first time stopping through, checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man, go ahead and join the family, y'all, by hitting that subscribe button, man. It would be greatly appreciated, number one, man. And hey, y'all don't want to miss anything that we have going on over here, man. We got a lot of stuff coming, giveaways on the way. We approaching 30K, man. This is a major, man. But thank y'all for rocking out with the fam. And yeah, man, let's check out this heat. This somewhat early heat, man. These are set to kind of do a retail release tomorrow, which is Saturday at the foot site. So hey, good luck to everybody trying to get them. But let's go ahead and check them out, man. Let's do it. Appreciate it. Bang. Y'all see what's going on, man. Look, you see what is going on. Look, this is my type of party right here, man. Hey, I told him, look, we gotta have the box fully sealed in order to make this transaction complete. And as I said, man, he kept his word, and we got a sealed, just steal it box, man. I hate this tape that they put on these boxes, but I guess it's better than the big Nike check. They used to put a big Nike check on these boxes, but hey, I guess this is better than that, man. But moment of truth, man. Let's see what all the hype is about. See what all the hype is about. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Open it up. You see we got something right here that's very similar. We got this Swiss cheese looking box. But the only difference with this one, it reads Flight underneath that jump, man. So yes, sir. 2 holes, same exact placement as we have on the off-white 5s, but get that out of here, man. Bang! Moment of truth, man. Was a must cop for me, man. Let's take a look at this size tag real quick. It reads Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro SP. I think that's special project. This is a 10.5 women's, which is equivalent to a men's 9. And it's crazy. Why would y'all put the men's size on here if it's a women's shoe, man? They just be playing with us. But they retail for $200, and the color blocking is sail, muslin, white, black, man. So that is your size tag of a retail pair. So make sure y'all's is looking like that. And see it, holy Swiss cheese box, yada yada. We ain't too much worried about that. But moment of truth, man. Let's go ahead and take off this lid. This is a, you know, pull off lid. It's not like the off-white 5s, which had that, you know, that flip over lid. But damn, I already, with this see-through paper here, I already see what time it is, man. Hey, you get your off-white clear, turn it this way, off-white clear paper on these with your Jumpman on it, and it does say off-white 2020, whatever else it says if y'all want to pause it and read it. But that's what it has written all throughout the plastic on these. And man, let me take a quick look at these real quick, man. Hey, man, Jordan brand, Nike, Virgil. This is what y'all doing, man. This is what y'all doing, man. Bang, man. Let me get this other pair out the way real quick. Woo, bruh. What I got hanging? Oh, that's my what you call this, hang tag. My hang tag came off, but hey, we ain't worried about that right now. But damn, bruh, fire. These are fire. Clean, man. The Air Jordan 4 off-whites, man. These are clean. Dang. Yes, bro. Hey, man, we about to get into an in-depth review on feet of these here shortly. But quick overview, man. It's like you got two tones, man. You got two different tones of sail on. Actually, it's like three different tones of sail you got on this shoe, man. But details, man. Details, man. These are hard, bro. Nike Air on the back. These right here are hard, man. Got that what you call this? I forgot what you call this thing again, man. The lace. I forgot what the name of it is. I can't even think. These so fire right now, man. Dope, man. You got your Air, your off-white, pretty much that special touch, that Air from Virgil, and your off-white branding right there in the middle. But yes, man, zip tie. I don't know what I was thinking, but zip tie. And let me grab this real quick. This other pair. Take this out. Bam, that's the other shoe right there. Dope, man, dope. But as I said, my I'm not even thinking, man. My whatever this is, man, fell off. But they do come with extra laces. You get black laces. You get like a mint green lace, as well as this is sail, like a light sail. It's not really white, it's like a light sail. But you got like a dark sail, like a cream, not even sail, but a cream that you have inside here. But these are fire, man. Y'all know we gonna do some things with the laces on these, but let me know, man, y'all thoughts and opinions on these. Y'all think these are worth the resale? In my opinion, for the right price, yes. Like 12, 13, 1400. Nah, I don't think they worth that much, but for the right price, man, these are dope. These are dope, man. So yo, man, that's a somewhat of an early look of the Air Jordan 4 off-white. Big shout out to the homie again for blessing me with this pair, man. As I said, he did hook me up with this pair as well. Bam. So we do got this review and on feet. Well, we'll see how this goes, cause you know, this might be trade bait. I don't know yet, man. But you got a review at least coming up of these shortly, man. But big shout out to him again for blessing me with legit kicks, man. Y'all check them out. But yeah, man. Hey, that's it for the Air Jordan 4 off-white things, man. These are hard, bro. These are hard. Dope, man. But we gone, man. Till my next one, man. Y'all stay blessed. I'm out of here. Fire. Peace.
Yeah, yeah. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm copping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. 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 Know what it be? You two family. It's all LUV, that's from me to you to me. Yeah, kickin' major play, how I rocks with it. They cop by 2-3 fits and gotta cop the socks with it. Hey, riding through the city, snap back or I fit it. If I'm rockin' with it and it's heated, oh let's get it. Kiss so cold and icy, feel so hot and spicy. Feeling like a million in my brand new pair of Nikes. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm copping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. 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 Swap it out. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Swap it out. Got the people's eye, yeah. Swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy. Swap it out. Better watch me now. Swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy. Better watch me now. Swap it out. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. If that lace